Combine all these foods and drinks for the ultimate erection super smoothie, a natural form of Viagra. Watch until the end for the complete recipe you print and keep. Citrus fruits increase nitric oxide, which improves blood circulation and better erections. Loaded with potassium, banana is a superfood and improves blood circulation to help you have a harder erection. Pomegranate is considered to be natural Viagra. This veggie improves both sperm count and motility, due to its carotenoid content. One study in over 3,000 men found men with the highest daily caffeine intake were less likely to report erectile dysfunction than those with the lowest caffeine. Raw, unsweetened dark chocolate is considered to be one of the best aphrodisiac foods. Avocados improve your sperm quality. Oats are considered an aphrodisiac, and improves blood flow to the penis. Antioxidant-rich tomatoes offer several potential benefits related to male sexual health, fertility, and prostate health. Watermelon pumps more blood into your genitals, improving your erection. Apple peels contain the active compound ursolic acid, which helps prevent prostate cancer. Chillies contain an alkaloid known as capsaicin, which improves circulation, boosts nitric oxide and reduces blood pressure. Chillies will improve blood flow in the genital area and really strengthen your erection. Add to blender: 1 grapefruit or orange, 1 banana, 1 apple, half an avocado, 1 slice of watermelon, 10 blueberries, 10 pistachios, a handful of pomegranates, 200 grams oats, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 cherry tomatoes, 2 red chillies, 3 cloves of garlic, handful of spinach, 1 slab 90% dark chocolate. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of coffee and a pinch of saffron on top. For best results, drink 1/3 breakfast, 1/3 lunch and 1/3 dinner.